The answer is none of the above actually work. Well, if we did the close here, that would work as long as there's no exceptions. The problem is, what happens if we had an exception on the writing? Well, that would jump to the accept handler. We'd never close the file. So maybe it's better to do the close here. Well, then that would close the file in the case where there's an exception. But if we didn't also close it here, it wouldn't close it when there's no exception. We could try to do it here. And for this code, this may be the best answer, other than none of the above. Where we'd get into troubles if we close the code here is if, say, inside the exception block, we exited, which would be a fairly common thing to do if we don't want the program to proceed if it can't write to the file. It would also be a problem if we weren't able to open the file, which is probably the most common reason for the exception. Well, then there's no file to close. So we've got a problem. None of these work.